way to the big boat. Look at these guys. Hello!
Hello!
And that's our boat. Hello guys, how are you doing today? Can you see where I am? Well, we are in Labuan Bajo. Have you heard about this place? Stick around because I'm gonna tell you all about this place. I'm so excited guys. Let's go! So guys, this trip gonna be insane, gonna be super nice. We have 2 nights and 3 days in the boat, and every single day we have lots of attractions, and also we're gonna stop at the national park to see the Komodos. Hopefully we have the manta swim included. We have snorkeling, so beautiful places. Hi! I cannot wait. We didn't even leave the port, but I cannot wait to reach those places. While we are on the way, the boat, they provide some snacks, some fruits, so we're gonna eat a bit, get healthy
And enjoy the view.
There you go. So guys, I'm in our cabin. As you can see, we have AC, we have a very large bed. It's a double bed, and we are so lucky we also got a window here, so if you are chilling inside you can take a sneak peek. Look with me. Not too bad, isn't it? Now you know where we sleep. Let me take you around so you can get to know the boat. The first room is our cabin, and then you can walk further. You're gonna see some other rooms. They are with bunk beds. That's Piki chilling around. And then we are reaching the end of the boat. We have the bathroom. There we go. And here at the end we got the chef already preparing something. Say hello, chef. Yeah. There you go. From here the goodies are coming. Look. Cannot wait. You see, some of the food are already been prepared. And now let's go up. The front of the boat, you can see the guy sitting here. Hello. So here are the guys, everybody. They.
What should we say? What should we say?
Say whatever you want to say.
Hola, hola.
Hola, that's good! It's the captain over there taking us for the beautiful places. And now let's go up.
Yeah, okay.
See you in a bit. Up here you have a beautiful space to chill out here. They have some cushions over there, so you can stay up here and enjoy the view. Look how nice it is, guys. And this, we didn't even reach any of the destinations yet. And walking further, we have some shade, so we can sit down here, talk. Hello! Hello! And then here you can chill out and enjoy the trip. Ta-da! Let me tell you something. While booking this trip, we weren't sure if we would have foreigners on board or just locals. We are the only foreigners here, and I can tell you, it was the best choice we made. The boat and the people, they are so nice, so friendly, and you guys know we love to mingle with the locals. So this is another fantastic opportunity to get to know people from different places. That's Indonesia. That's what we love about Indonesia. First stop, island Kelor. The island is very tiny, so it's very interesting. They have some sellers over here, so you can buy some coconuts, some food. But let's explore. Meanwhile, I took the time to put the drone up and show you how beautiful is this tiny island. Now I can feel some drops of rain. Luckily, my drone is back in the land.
Look at this, guys. Welcome to Kelor Island.
So guys, I was right, the rain started to pick up. I wanna see how Piki comes down. Hopefully not too soaked. Snorkel time, baby! We just came back from the snorkeling. It was super fun, even though the weather wasn't the best. We had a great time. Now we're gonna have a shower and wait for the next attraction. Do you know what's coming up? Stick there because we're gonna show you. We just stopped at the Kelong Island. I hope I'm pronouncing correctly. And from here we're gonna spend the sunset and hopefully the bats. We were told thousands and thousands of bats, they come out during the sunset, so let's wait for them. Guys, the bats are coming out. You have no idea how big they are. Huge, humongous. I never seen a bat this size. After a beautiful day, now it's time to eat. We're gonna have a beautiful dinner with our friends here.
Selamat
So guys, the trip is not going that well. It's 4 o'clock in the morning, half 4 actually. We just woke up with the intention to go up there to see the sunrise, but the boat just broke down in the middle of nowhere. Nobody knows what to do, nobody knows anything, nobody's giving any information to us. That's not good.
Quick update. There is no update. We are here over 6 hours. It's unbelievable. The weather is bad, raining, the boat is moving, and no replacement boat came yet. Very, very, very disappointing and very scary.
So guys, after 10 hours of waiting, almost 11, finally the replacement boat came in, but the trip is just gone. Nobody has mood, nobody has energy to do anything else. So we are heading back to the shore, to Labuan Bajo, and we hope someone from your Flores will be there to talk to us, to explain how we can do from here.
This will end our trip. We are in a hotel room. We arrived yesterday night around 1 o'clock. Very tired, very disappointed. All our friends from the boat, they already left. We are here with the hope that we still will make it with another boat to see the
Just sneak in
Komodos.
while I'm editing the video to tell you we made it. We had an amazing trip. We seen Komodos, we seen turtles, mantas, you name it, we got it. So stay tuned because that's gonna be our next video and we're gonna show you all about that spectacular trip. One piece of advice, do a good research the company you book your trip from, otherwise your boat will sink. See you in the next one.